Hi guys, so today I am going to be unboxing Astro's Dream Part.02, both the Wind version and the Wish version. I did film this, kind of, a little bit of this unboxing. However, I accidentally deleted my file because I'm stupid. And I haven't seen the photo card or the photo book, actually. I barely got the lid open itself. So I'm going to just, go through this one again. Even though I really didn't even go through it in the first time I filmed it. The box is exactly the same as like the Dream Part 1 albums. The design of it, it's very, very beautiful, as you can see. It's very pretty. And like, as you can see here, it says Astro Love Aroha, and that's so cute, the barcode. There is no track listing on the back, so I will go through the track listing once I get it open, but watch me struggle with this. Because I love box albums. I love the steadiness and also the detachable photo book. However, opening them is always like a huge struggle of mine. Hang on. Okay, I got it. Alright. So, on the back. Oh, and then you have like their names here too. I think their names are, their names are in the front here, as well as like their year of birth. So that's kind of cool. And I'm just gonna empty everything out here, because I know it comes with like cards and all that sort of stuff. Photo cards, and I don't want to see any of them yet. Okay. So this is a CD, and it comes with like a member thing on the back, so I haven't seen that yet. Okay, so on the back I got Rocky. I get Rocky a lot, so this is kind of different from your usual CD plate, because normally you get member CD plates, but instead you get like a member on the back of this. That's kind of adorable. Okay, and let's go through the photo book. I'll move this to the side. Maybe the track listing is in the back, or I'll just go through it when we get to the lyrics portion. They look so cute and beautiful. And today, as I'm filming this anyway, they just released like the special dance practice version of Crazy Sexy Cool, and it was adorable. Everything you would expect from Astro. Jinjin looks amazing this comeback. Like, I am so in love with his hair, his styling. He looks so good. Look at that boy. I can't. Like, all the boys, but like, look at Jinjin. Okay, here we have the track listing. I'll go through it quickly. There are 5 tracks on here. Hopefully focuses a little better. 5 tracks on here. They are With You, 네가 부러워, Crazy Sexy Cool, which is the title track, Butterfly, Run, and 어느새 우린, which is Better With You. My favorite tracks on here are Crazy Sexy Cool, the title track, and Run, I would say, are my 2 favorites on here. it's funny because with Crazy Sexy Cool, I did like it when I first heard it, but I didn't like it to the point that I like it now. I find that with multiple listens, you really start to appreciate it more, and it's such a catchy song. I don't know how to really describe it. I just really love this song as a title track. I think that Astro have really good title tracks in general. I've loved all of Astro's title tracks. As a whole, I do prefer Dream Part 1 a bit more than this mini album. But I still love this mini album. Astro have just such good music. Like, honestly, I love Astro's music a lot. And I really love that when it comes to their comebacks, you can kind of see the maturity with each comeback, but they still kind of retain that same boyish sort of charm that makes them really cute and Astro. Like, they still have that flavor to them, and I don't know, I love Astro. Like I said, one of my favorite groups in terms of music, especially of the newer groups, since I think Astro debuted early 2016. And my brother really likes their music too. I played Crazy Sexy Cool when I was in the car with him, and I did this with Not Also when Dream Part 1 came out, and he was immediately like, oh, is this Astro? I really like Astro. And so yeah, oh god, they're so pretty. Anu is unreal. I cannot believe, like, visuals, these visuals. Jinjin. Jinjin coming from my heart, even though he's not my bias. But doesn't he look amazing? I'll never stop going on about it. Rocky. Special thanks to... I always love Astro photo shoots as well. And their dance practices are some of my favorites. I love their dances. And Crazy Sexy Cool is no exception. Credits. Yeah, that is it for the, which version is this? Wind version. But I'll go through the photo cards and everything, the postcard and everything that comes in here too. Okay. So for the postcard, this is the postcard. I love their postcards. Bottom, and then their names here. Very, very cute. Okay, for the photo cards. Alright, so there are two cards. I think you got like one Polaroid type one and just, I think, a normal photo card. Oh no, 3 photo cards. Okay, so for the Polaroid one, I got Jinjin. But yeah, it's so cute. So cute. So yeah, it's like a imitation sort of Polaroid, but I don't know, I just think they're adorable. So Jinjin, however, I only collect Anu, so I'll probably put Jinjin up for trade or sale. And then for the photo cards, I got Rocky. I think I get Rocky the most of any member of Astro. But yeah, this is so cute. And then for the other one, I got Moonbin. What I will say with every album, I always pull either Moonbin or Unu in like one like version of, I don't know. But this is so cute. I love the background and the flowers. Astro was some of my favorite cards. Anyway, I will move all this to the side and do the Wish version now. But yeah, Astro, in my opinion, is some of like the prettiest photo cards. The boy is in the back again. Okay. Time to struggle some more while I open this box album. Well, this one's easier, I think. Or not? Okay, there we go. So the back, and then they're all here again. All their names. And I'll empty everything out here. Okay. CD. My CD fell out. So. CD. But I have something. Oh, I have, like a protector thing for the CD. Oh no. And I got Jinjin. So, oh yeah, and there's track listing down there too. So yeah, I got Jinjins for this one. Looking amazing. Okay. Sorry, just trying to not see the photo cards while I grab the photo book. He has such an adorable smile. So does Moonbin. Moonbin and, oh my god, look at MJ. Yeah, Moonbin and Jinjin have such beautiful smiles in particular. Ugh, Anu. Yeah, I remember when I was first getting into ASTRO, I really thought Moonbin was going to be my bias, because every time he smiled, I was like... He made my heart flip. Oh, this is such a beautiful picture. So it is, I really like that effect with the light and the shadow on their faces. And Sunha. I feel like I'm actually watching him grow up. I guess in some way I am. He's so young. Special thanks to MJ looks so fluffy. is so pretty. The close-up shots. And credits. Yeah, that is it for this. Of course, all the songs on here are the same as the other previous version. Okay, so for the postcard, this is the postcard. As always, very adorable. And then for the cards, okay, so for the Polaroid, I got Moonbin's Polaroid. That's so cute. I want to keep all these cards, but I shouldn't. I know I shouldn't. And then for the other photo cards, I got Moonbin. I think I got Moonbin and Rocky the most. And then I got Jinjin. So yeah, I will put all of these up for trade or sale for Unu, because Unu is the only member of Astro that I'm collecting. I used to collect Moonbin too, so this would have been great, but I had to like downgrade just because Astro have so many cards. It's really hard to keep up. So this is the wind version. So Jinjin's Polaroid, and then these versions, Rocky and Moonbin. And then for the Wish version, Moonbin's Polaroid, and then this version of Moonbin, and this one of Jinjin. So yeah, I'm putting them all, like I said, up for trade or sale. It'll be in my Google Docs, which is in my description box below, or my Instagram. I have a trade sale Instagram. It's Michelle Does Trades is my trade sale Instagram. So I will list all these cards up there, and just contact me there or on here, anything you're most comfortable with. And yeah, especially if you have Unu, because I really do want to get these cards. I'm missing a couple of these earlier cards too. But as for Astro, I'm planning on getting their M-Wave autographed albums, like the random member signed one. Oh, not random member. I think they're all signed. Yeah, they're signed ones for this album as well. So I will probably get them at some point. However, I know it'll take forever to get to me, so I just wanted to get this unboxing out of the way. Anyway, as always, I'm so excited for Astro's future stuff because, like I said, I really love their music. I think everything they put out is, like, I just love everything that they put out. So it just makes me more and more excited every time I hear news of more comebacks from them. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching.